One of the most well-known flounders isn't a flounder at all. Flounder, the character from The Little Mermaid, is depicted as a blue and yellow tropical fish in the classic animated film. In the live-action remake, he's almost certainly a Sergeant Major damselfish. However, his species in the 1989 film is up for debate.
Another modern-day animated flounder appears in multiple episodes of SpongeBob SquarePants. Most commonly known as Flats the Flounder, originally this character was designated as Farley the Flatfish. All flounders are flatfish, but the over 800 flatfish species also include sole, halibut, and other flatfishes.
The verb flounder, which means something like to flop about or struggle awkwardly, was first used around the turn of the 16th century. The noun flounder was used at least 300 years prior and used to describe the flatfish. Its root means to spread, which is likely in reference to their spread out body shape.
Flounders are sometimes considered hopeful monsters, which describes an evolutionary hypothesis that species develop from large changes that happen quickly, as opposed to gradually over time. They're also referred to as Picasso fish, as their unique shape models the painter's style. However, they shouldn't be confused with the lagoon triggerfish, which is also known as the Picasso fish.
Young flounders newly hatched from their eggs are actually pretty similar looking to other fish fry. Their eyes are located one on each side of their head, and they're symmetrical. However, as they develop, flounders go through a serious transformation, leaving them as some of the most asymmetrical vertebrates known to ever exist.
Although baby flounders may appear like typical fish on the outside, there's more going on below the surface. These fish are hardwired as asymmetrical. Stick a baby flounder in a tank with no light, and it'll be unable to swim upright. Baby flatfish with visibility in only one eye swim sideways from birth.
A flounder's inner ears, the part of the body that helps with balance, is the likely culprit for their off-balance nature from the start. Studies have shown that the structure of flatfish inner ears are asymmetrical from birth, and the signals their brain receives from these differently sized structures are more active from one side of the body than the other.
It works out for flounder babies that they can use sunlight to help orient themselves in the water column, even though swimming upright goes against their internal makeup. If flatfish larvae immediately started life on the bottom of the ocean like their parents, they could easily end up being eaten by their own kind.
Flatfish in general are often described as disc-shaped in appearance. They often appear round and almost circular as they lay along the ocean's bottom. This isn't always the case with these fish, however. Some flatfish are tapered at both ends and display what's called a more fusiform shape.
It's beneficial for adult flounders that they live on the bottom of the ocean, because most of them, at least as adults, don't have a swim bladder. Along with some other things, such as sound production, the swim bladder in fish helps with buoyancy. Without it, they'll sink. But that's exactly where flounders want to be.
Did you also know that flounders have asymmetrical coloring, and their blind side turns white over time? Check out our full flatfish episode to learn even more. There's a card on screen you can click right now. Go ahead, click it. There's lots to learn. And thanks for watching Animal Fact Files.